Recently we did a trip to Mozambique in Southeast Africa to find the largest living fish in the world, the whale shark. Mozambique is known for its long tropical coastline and as a scuba diving haven. Our first stop was Paradise Beach, a roughly 8-hour drive north of the capital Maputo. We took a few days off to climatize and get used to our surroundings. We then continued to the diving capital Praia de Tofu and immediately took a boat to our first diving spot. It was an amazing dive. However, we still needed to find a whale shark to complete our mission. That afternoon we took some horses on a ride along the beach to explore the area. It was an incredible experience. At sunrise the following day, we used a traditional sailing boat to continue with our search. And then we finally saw it, a roughly 8-meter long whale shark swimming right in front of us.